Hey there, budget enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget. You know it's all about taking control of your money. But what about those pesky cash transactions? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First off, YNAB is designed for tracking every dollar, including cash. The key is to treat cash just like any other money in your budget. Begin by setting up specific categories in YNAB for your cash needs. For example, if you're using the envelope system, create categories like groceries cash or entertainment fund. This way, you're assigning jobs to your dollars before you even spend them. Now, when you withdraw cash from an ATM or get cash back, record that transaction immediately in YNAB. Go to the Inflow section and categorize it under your cash envelope. This ensures your budget reflects the real money you have on hand. Remember, YNAB doesn't automatically track cash like it does with bank accounts, so manual entry is your best friend. Next, as you spend that cash, log each expense right away. Open the YNAB app, select the appropriate category, and enter the amount. This keeps your budget accurate and helps you avoid overspending. If you forget, don't panic. Just add it as soon as you can and adjust accordingly. One pro tip. At the end of the day or week, reconcile your cash. Count what's left in your wallet and compare it to what YNAB shows. If there's a discrepancy, figure out where it went and update your budget. This habit will make you more mindful of your spending. Handling cash in YNAB might seem tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for your financial habits. You'll feel more in control and less stressed about money. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YNAB tips. See you next time.